Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an awesome project. We're gonna install the INJORA Klingon tire on the aluminum beadlock wheel, and we also have the green silicone inserts that we're gonna use inside the tire. So no further ado, let's go! First, let's take a quick look at what we're working with today. We have the INJORA Klingon tire with a hieroglyphic tire pattern. It's in the S5 compound, so it's very sticky, as you can see here. And the tire wants to cling on itself and on the surfaces you're driving on. It's 4.75 by 1.65 and it's in the 1.9 size wheel. We are gonna mount the tires on the INJORA aluminum beadlock wheel. It's nicely machined and very good fitment. And you also have the silicone insert. It's the softest one that they make, the green one. So let's mount one tire so we can see how it mounts. So firstly, we will take the insert and it's important that you mount it evenly and press it firmly in. And you can feel when it's seated correctly. And then you take some lube, so it's easier to mount, and that it's and so that the tire seats correctly. It's unidirectional, so you don't have to care about what side you're mounting the tire on. And when you get the wheel, you don't have any screws on the beadlock side, so you have to mount every single screw on the front side. But as I said, the fitment and the machining is very good, so it's an easy process. And then you just install the 6 screws on the back side. I don't know why, but my 2.5 size hex doesn't fit inside the screw, so I have to use a regular Allen. But you just screw in the screws evenly in a star form pattern. Like so. And if you want, you can vent the tires. I will not do it right now, but I will do it later. So I will compare the two mounting. Like so. And here you have one mounted tire. It's a very good fitment, as I said. So I will mount the other 2 tires and then I will come back. And there you have it. All the tires are mounted. The fitment is perfect. They fit the wheels just like a glove. The silicone is very good inside the tire. And like I said, the tires are now unvented, but I will try them out unvented and then I will vent them to see the difference. And now just one thing left, and that is to mount the tires. So 3, 2, 1, boom! There you have it. All the tires are mounted. The first impressions is that the rig feels way more planted, and this will make a big difference of the stock tires. I can't wait to take it out on the trails and try it out in the real terrain. So let's take it out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this build, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below what you want to see next. If you have any questions about the Klingon tires, the Beadlock wheels, or the Silicone Inserts, leave the comment below and I'm happy to help. See you in the next one.